Hi and welcome back to another video from Appsmoment.com. We continue to shoot video tutorials and lessons about how to start and grow your app business. Before I will start, first of all, me and all our team would like to wish you happy Easter to you and your families. In a couple of days we are going to celebrate Easter, so I hope that you will have a good time with your family. Excuse me for my voice, a little bit sick today. And today let's talk about game apps. We actually promised to you that we are going to add game apps to 2.0 Builder, and today we are super excited to inform you that yes, game apps now live in 2.0 Builder. Actually, we just added 32 games and more will come on next week, so we hope that over 100 game templates will be live very shortly in our system. So in this video I want to show you how to use game feature in 2.0 Builder correctly, and for that reason you need to go to 2.0 Builder, go to your account, and for example you need to create your application or edit existing one, and click on edit it. Okay, and go to feature section. Okay, we are going to feature section, and actually I just, as you can see, added games. If you're not, let me actually delete this page for the purposes of this video. Okay. Oh, yeah, it is already deleted. And all you have to do is to click right here at game section and add this feature games to your application. And right here you can use, is it active or not, do you want to use social sharing or not, and all you have to do is click add new, and right here you will see the list of game apps. As I said, at this moment we have nearly 32 game apps, more will come shortly. And for example, you are going Battleship to your application, game added, click at games, and as you can see you can add as many as you want game applications to your application. So couple things before I'll finish. First of all, user will need to have internet access to application. Without internet, game apps will not work. Secondly, what I want to mention is, for at this stage, if you want to preview your application, you need to request APK file. Yes, at this moment app previewer is not, it will not show you any game apps, but we tested in real final application, everything will work very smoothly and very fast, way faster than before we had in 1.0 Builder. So the bottom line here is game apps now live in 2.0 system, so you can test and create awesome application. And again, happy Easter to you and your family. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.